Hello friends, welcome back to the new video guys. Today guys we are going to talk about guys fingerprint lock setting in your Realme phone device guys. In this video guys I am going to tell you guys and guys I will show you guys how can you delete your fingerprint data guys. You want to delete guys all fingerprints and guys you want to off your fingerprint so guys you can off. And guys now let's see. First of all guys open your phone setting and scroll. So as you can see guys your password and security settings. So guys tap here. Click on guys fingerprint setting and guys draw your pattern. And guys you can see you have only one fingerprint and guys you want to delete. So as you can delete from here. So as your all fingerprint will delete from here. And guys come in your lock screen and guys enter your pattern, means guys draw your pattern and guys turn off password. So as your all fingerprint data will delete and guys you can see there is no any fingerprint and guys there is no any pattern lock. So as all data has deleted, fingerprint lock setting data has deleted in your Realme phone. So like that guys, you can delete your old fingerprint data in your Realme phone. So I hope friends you have understood. So that's it guys. Thanks for watching my video guys. Now we will meet on next video guys with new topic. Before going guys, please go and like my video, subscribe my channel. Bye friends.